Well, what's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another tech review. So this is the Omars USB Type-C PD power bank. We're going to check it out right now. So I did a review on this device a long time ago, but things have changed. The game has changed now because of iPadOs. So we're using this device more often now. So what I have here is a 45 watt PD. So power delivery is charging laptops, bigger devices like your bigger tablets, things of that nature at a faster rate of speed. You got Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 and 20,000 milliamp hours. Right here it says it supports USB charging on a laptop. Now guys, I can say I've had a lot of chargers or a lot of power banks, and this has been probably my most dependable out of all that I've had. But just a little bit right here. Now I do have MacBook 13.3 and I can attest to this. It will charge it up one full time. So this will go dead, but your computer will charge up one full time off of this device right here. Samsung S9 Plus would have charged 3.7 times, iPhone 10 4.8 times, and iPhone 8 would charge 6.5 times. So tons of power in this device. Now that we talked about that, let's actually look at it because it's not that big. It does have a little weight to it. But it supports the 3.0 as well as the PD charging. So right here up top, you got a 3.0 quick charge, another USB charge, and you have a USB Type-C. This is your power button right here, and you actually get LEDs when you tap that. So when you actually charge this device up, you have your LED lights up here. The green light lets you know that it is fast charging, and your lights, you got up to four blue LED lights that come up right up there. So this will charge iPads as well as your MacBook, like we talked about earlier. So if you're on the go, you never have to worry because all you do is take your USB Type-C cable that came with your iPad and you're gonna plug that in. And when you plug it in, it automatically comes on and it lets you know that it is charging. So whenever the green light comes on, that means that you are doing a fast charge or a quick charge, and USB Type-C to C is one of the quickest ways to do that. Now remember, you still have the USB 3.0s that will charge, but the rate of charge won't be as fast as using C to C with the official Apple cable that came with your iPad. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below so you can go and check this out for yourself. I think I paid about $50 for this device, but it's an awesome device to have. It's nice, it's flat. Like I said, it does have a little weight to it, but it goes flat down in a bag. Holding it up to the iPad is about double the width of the iPad, but it's light enough to put in a bag. You won't know it's there, and it's not going to take up a whole lot of space. But you get tons of charging power out of this nice power bank from Omars. This has been able to help someone out. Just like I said, a lot of people had questions about what type of battery I use, and this is it. So I'm going to leave that link below, like I said. And until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.